Windows 11 spreads its privacy controls across settings, group policies, and the registry. ShutUp10 is a free portable tool that pulls many of those into one dashboard. In this video, I will show you what it covers, how to use it safely, and whether it earns a place on your system. You can change most privacy options directly in Windows, but finding them takes time. ShutUp10 is a small portable utility from O&O Software that centralizes many of those switches and adds recommendations so you're not guessing from scratch. Go to your favorite browser and in the search field type O&O ShutUp10. Download it from the official O&O site. Link is in the description. Don't worry about which version number you see. The layout stayed the same across recent updates. There's nothing to install. Just open it straight from your Downloads folder. Before changing a single toggle, my strongest advice is to create a system restore point. Click Actions and choose Create a System Restore Point. If a setting later affects something you rely on, this gives you a clean rollback in under a minute. The tool uses a traffic light system to guide you. Green entries are recommended and broadly safe for most users. Yellow entries need more review, they improve privacy, but may turn off some convenience features. Red entries are advanced changes that can affect how Windows behaves, so I would not apply those casually. Recent versions may include a dedicated Windows AI section. Depending on your Windows build and hardware, you may see options related to Copilot or Recall. Recall is controlled separately in Windows, and Microsoft says recall snapshots are stored and processed locally on supported Copilot Plus PCs, and they are off by default. If you prefer not to use these AI-assisted features, this section gives you a direct place to review those settings. For most users, a sensible starting point is to apply only the recommended settings. Open Actions and select Apply Only Recommended Settings. After you choose your settings, export them. Select Actions, then export settings to file. Save that somewhere you can find later. Major Windows feature updates can reset some toggles, so exporting your settings gives you a quick way to restore your baseline. If you notice web results returning in Start Search, reopen ShutUp10 and re-import. So is it worth installing? For many Windows 11 users, I will say yes. Not because it performs optimization and speed, but because it reduces the friction of reviewing privacy settings. It appears to centralize Windows settings and policy style changes into one dashboard, and the recommendations make it easier to avoid risky toggles. That is the reason it can earn a place on a system. If something in this video doesn't match what you see, you're on a different Windows build or a newer version of ShutUp10, leave a comment with your Windows version and the ShutUp10 build number. I will help you compare what you're seeing. Managing privacy in Windows 11 doesn't have to turn into a fight with the operating system. If this walkthrough helped you, subscribe to Libratechia for more practical Windows guides. Stay reachable, and I will see you in the next one.